Welcome back to another video, straight out of content, and I'm here. Straight out of content, Carl's Garage, actually. This video is gonna be a Carl's Garage. I'm gonna do another one straight out of content. It's been a minute, and I've been working. I've been busting my ass to try to get you guys some new content, some new stuff related to Kias and Hyundais. We got some new recalls, and I've just added a ton to the book, like a ton. I'm gonna physically show you, look, right here. So I'm gonna bring this over here from my other screen right now. So this right here, this is the handbook. Let's go back, Kia PDF documents. Whenever you purchase the book, and I'll show you guys right here, and let me pull it over. Let me walk you guys through. So whenever you purchase the book right here from the website, Carl's Garage or Kia Hyundai Recall Agent, the reason why I recommend Kia Hyundai Recall Agent is because this is where you're gonna get access to the full agent. So you purchase this, it's gonna email me, it's gonna notify me, you're gonna automatically receive a message back, automated, letting you know, okay, thank you for your purchase. This is how you log in. A lot of people are having trouble logging in, but it's super simple. You just hit login, create an account, boom, logs you in. If you have any issues, just email me and then I'll make the system in the back. I'll make the managed system in the back end give you access. Because a couple of people have emailed me, they haven't been able to figure out. Super easy. I just tell them, hey, give this person access by your email, boom, logs you in. But if you get the book, say you only got 20 bucks or whatever, you say you don't have money for the script or anything, just 20 bucks, then this is what you're going to get. You're gonna get everything in here, everything that you see here. So this is the book right here, but then obviously, everything is digital. So you're just gonna get a link automatically. It's gonna be sent to your email. So you have to put in your email. Boom, this is the book, right? But then you're also gonna get access to all of these documents here. Everything, again, it's a link. I recommend pulling this up on a computer, not on your phone. Everything is designed for a computer. When you're doing this type of things, you wanna get your engine replaced, you're gonna need the right tools in order to do that. You're gonna wanna be able to come in here, print out the pamphlet, right, on a printer and say, hey, look, no, you can't deny me. Nowhere here does it say that you can deny me for not having my maintenance records and all this other stuff, right? You can print this stuff out. Here's a lifetime engine warranty, right? So this is why having a computer and doing everything on a computer is PC or Mac is the best way to do this. So what I just added was right here. And as you can see, and you will have access to this. So again, I'll go back to the book. I'm gonna go back to the book and the agent. If you get the agent for 60 bucks, you don't need the books. I'm still gonna send them to you for free 100% so that you can print out all the documents. But everything that you're looking at that's ever been related to Kia is already trained in my model. Automatically, it's already trained. So all of this stuff right here, plus I think it just uploaded. So let's see. Yep, and then all of these right here, these are every related recall, Kias and Hyundais. See, from way back from 2017, Kia light vehicles, bites out gas, certain models, Neros. My Nero, this vehicle was not produced, VIN number, da-da-da. So every recall report, I pulled every single recall report. I got some stuff right here in Codex. So this is it right here. I was able to pull everything for you guys. This wasn't easy. This took a very long time. Pull everything. It's just 97 plus 570. So what is that? That's well over 600, almost 700 documents, 700 recall documents directly related to Kias and Hyundais. So now I can go through and have them coded directly, but again, because it's gonna be very hard, you're gonna be like, oh, which one is which? I don't know. So I probably will go through and have them all labeled properly. That will take a look. Oh, look, some 2018 My Stinger vehicles produced from July 20, 2017 through 18 recall. Population determined, review of vehicle, the front wiring harness is located, damage the front wiring harness. So now that my model is trained, if you get the agent, anything that you ask it right here, anything that you ask it as far as, here we go, chat assistant. If you ask it about, can you tell me about my 2018 Kia Stinger? It's already trained. Now again, there's no, see, came with 2 primary engine options, 2 liter, that Theta 2s, right? See, it's already trained on everything over there. So this is what you get. You'll still get the documents. You'll still be able to see everything that I just showed you, but this is why it's extremely important. Get the agent versus just the book. because now you don't need me. If you have any questions, you can just come in here and just chat. You just come here and just talk to it. You can say, hey, while your 2018 Sierra might not be part of the specific data to it, see, right here, it has been subject to other recalls, which I just showed you, right? It already knows that there are other recalls associated with it. Here is one right here. It already knows. So yes, it's not part of the Theta 2, so you probably can't get an engine replaced. It has been subject, you can check other open recalls specifically, right? This is why it's extremely important to get this, especially if you're a dealer, if you sell cars or do anything, or if you want to get into selling Hyundais and Kias like I have in my flip book. Like I have in my Carl's Garage flip book right here. This is an entire book that teaches you how to flip these cars. So if you want to get in, because they're still being sold on third-party dealers all day as used cars. Like they're very high-selling used cars. People seem to like them a lot. But if you don't know this information, you're going to be selling people a lemon, or you're going to be subject to selling people, quote unquote, a lemon, because all these cars, they have some sort of recall, especially with the Theta 2. If it has the Theta 2 engine in it, you're screwed. You're going to sell it to somebody, or you're going to go in to purchase it and you're not going to know. And they're not legally obligated to tell you about the active recall. In Canada, in Australia, I'm getting a lot of people in Australia all of a sudden. In America, they're not, nowhere does it say that a dealer or even an individual person selling a car with an active engine recall has to disclose that to you. Just the way of the world. So just wanted to let you guys know that that's the new update of what you're going to get if you get the book. But again, I recommend getting the agent because you're going to get the books for free. I'm going to send you the links, and then you're going to be able to go. It's literally going to be a link, and it's going to look like this. Well, it's not going to look like this because this is all new. So it's going to look like this. One more. It's going to look like this. It's going to look like this to start. Whenever you open it up on your computer, you're going to be able to click this folder, and you're going to get more documents. And you'll be able to click this folder, and you're going to get even more documents. More. That's the value that you get. Plus, once you get the agent, you have the agent for free. It's not like you buy the agent and it's like per month or something like that. Once you spend the $60, like I said, you'll get all the books, you'll get the agent, you get everything else up in here too. I have a whole bunch of other stuff. Got the generator response. You can come in here, type in whatever you need to get the software to give you a response to the dealer. I actually got a guy over here, if I'm not mistaken. I'll shrink this. If I'm not mistaken, hold on one second. Let me try to move this over here. Okay, let me see, go over here. Yeah, this guy right here. So he's like, hello, I bought a 2014 Kia Optima. Motor went out. I'm second owner. First owner didn't get the knock sensor update, right? So my warranty was denied, which they can't deny you for not getting. Getting the KSDS is extremely important, like extremely important. But because that car already has an active recall, it was going to happen without the KSDS. So there are ways. I could type this in right now to the chat, and it would actually say. So let's do that, just to show you how effective it is. Was denied. I wanted to put a new motor in. Does that new motor still fall under the same warranty, or is it still the 1 year, 112,000 miles? Well, no, we know it's a lifetime, right? So just to answer that, we know it's lifetime, but people don't know that. But the biggest caveat is, right, we know right here, according to their pamphlet, it's a lifetime warranty, right? But, and let me close out all these. I have all these different reports, all these different reports. So let me close out all these because I really want to explain to you guys exactly what's going on. So he also mentioned, sorry, it keeps opening up. He also mentioned, I'm wanting to put a new motor in. So no, you can't put a new motor in. If you do it, it's not through Kia. So you void everything, 100%. Salvage voids everything, and if you touch that car, any part of the motor, outside of regular maintenance items like the fuel pump, valve cover, stuff like that, spark plugs, if you touch the internals of that motor, you're voiding the warranty, buddy. So you're SOL. Your best bet, like I told them, is to just email me, because if you get the agent, you can come in here, your exact thing, right? You're gonna come in here and you're gonna tell it, and it's gonna give you an answer. And then from here, you can just keep communicating with it, and it'll walk you down the process on exactly what to say right here. See what you should do next right here. Boom, easy. Hello, I understand you're dealing with frustrating. First, let's address your current situation regarding KSDS denial. The dealer's claims your warranty. Hyundai's internal policies. Hyundai Motor issued an internal dealer guidance service. Settlement agreement. The federal court approved settlement. Hyundai. Provides 15-year, 150,000 mile extended warranty for engine short block. Regarding new motor and warranty, if your engine is replaced under the terms of settlement, which it should be given the KSD is likely to deny, the replacement engine itself would be considered under remaining portion, The settlement warranty covers the vehicle's engine, What you should do next. To help me guide you further, please answer these questions. So that's what is so special about my agent. It's not just like GPT, it's just like, or whatever all the other ones. They're not a trained model. So they're not just gonna, they're gonna be more generic. Well, I'll show you. Let's go over here. Let's go to new chat. Let's go here. Oh, look, it recommended running it through. That is funny. Before spending thousands on engine, I'd recommend running your case through. The AI agent can analyze your specific situation, review denial reasons. Exactly, that is funny. So it's even going to tell you to run it through my agent. It's gonna tell you to run it through my agent. That's hilarious. That is hilarious, exactly. So that's gonna be it for this video. There's no more proof that I can show you that there's no better software on the market when it comes to getting your engine replaced. I wish that I could build this for other car makers, but other car makers either don't have an active platform to get your engine replaced, like GM, right? There's nothing that you could do to get your engine replaced. There's no recall. They just pop because of the lifters. And Toyota is just replacing those engines. Those V6 twin turbos, you don't have a problem. It's not an issue. So if there's any other company out there, or if you guys got any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I would love to write more software. This is what I do for a living. But yeah. There's no other, I could even use, we could type that into Gemini. Let's use Gemini. Let's go to Gemini. Let's go to paste. I have Gemini Pro on. Let's go to paste. Let's see what it says. Review user situation. Then I'll promise you I'll end this video after this. So I just really want to show you guys that there's nothing else out there because nobody else has taken the time to develop this type of software. This is what I think is best too for dealers. If you're a dealer, if you're looking to flip cars, because people are going to flip Hyundais and Kias, they already do them anyway. They're all over the country. They're being sold, that guy's a second owner, like he stated. If you're a buyer or if you're a seller, you need the Kia Hyundai Recall Agent that I developed. See, right here. Standard dealership moving forward, even though a new motor won't carry a lifetime warranty, you should still have a dealership flash ECU KSDS update. Replacing is finished, having the system. See, the thing is, if you are already, then they won't put the KSDS on there. Some dealerships might. You might be able to go to a dealership and be like, hey, can you put the KSDS on? And they might just do it. It's a proprietary software that they have only at the dealerships, and they can do it. And then once they do, then you can go to another dealership. Some dealerships will do it, but I don't even know what the hell Kia Auto Parts is. Independent installation. If you and Mike are pulling old motor. Oh, tackle it and swap yourselves over at Carl's Garage. I don't know why it keeps bringing me up. I guess because it knows me. I don't know. Oh, it's giving me parts and stuff like that. But yeah, again, it's not going to tell you, it's not going to ask, hey, give me more information like my model will do so I can help you out further. That's the biggest caveat behind any other software out there. They're all generic, they're not specific, and they weren't written and coded to assist you as like I would. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. That was pretty cool that I put it in the GPT and it popped up like that. So stay tuned for the next video.